Hello dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Farhana. Welcome to my channel English Learning Door. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the difference between wake up and get up. Do you know what is the difference between wake up and get up? If you don't know, look at the examples. First example. Oh my god, how lazy you were. I saw you woke up at 6 o'clock and now it's 8 o'clock. You are not get up yet and are lying inside the blanket. I'm reading again. Oh my god, how lazy you were. I saw you woke up at 6 o'clock and now it's 8 o'clock. You are not get up yet and are lying inside the blanket. Here I'm talking to someone who woke up at 6 o'clock but don't get out of bed at 8 o'clock. The next example. I woke up at 7 a.m. but it was too late to play games on mobile that I got out of bed at 9 a.m. I'm reading again. Listen carefully. I woke up at 7 a.m. but it was too late to play games on mobile that I got out of bed at 9 a.m. Here I'm saying that I woke up at 7 a.m. but I got out of bed at 9 a.m. Can you understand the difference between wake up and get up from these examples? I think you have guessed something. Actually, wake up means open one's eyes from sleeping. Okay. On the other hand, get up means leave the bed or get out of bed and start your normal activities of a day like brushing teeth, having breakfast, etc. etc. Okay. Maybe there was a loud sound, or you have a nightmare, or your baby cried loudly, or the sound of a wedding party, or the sound of a concert can wake you up, or the alarm sounded loudly, etc. etc. On the other hand, get up means leave the bed or get out of bed physically and start your normal activities of a day. Okay, so when you want to mean that you start your daily activities as soon as you wake up, that time you should use get up, not wake up, because it often happens that we wake up with a small noise or some other reasons, then we fall asleep again. So you should not use wake up when you want to mean that you start your daily activities like brushing teeth, having breakfast, go to morning work, etc. etc. Okay, so I think you got it. If you like my class, like, share, subscribe and tap the bell icon to get all of my new videos. And if you don't like my class, keep watching. It will be helpful to you very soon, inshallah. And many thanks to those who have already subscribed to my channel. Allah Hafiz.